Am I recording? Okay. Here we go. So, this is me showing you what the baby kittens are doing. They've created this new game where they explode out of Lisa's room in order to try to escape and play with the big baby kittens. Here it comes. Prepare yourselves. Oh, it's a huge fucking explosion. Come on, guys. All that tuna? Too much tuna in food? You guys used to do much better. You're disappointing me. I still love you, though. I'm not gonna put you in a sack with rocks and drop you in the Willamette. But we need to find homes for these little baby kitties. Because they're so cute. Oh my goodness, just look at that one. Alright, is that you, Mr. Poopy Butt? Hey! Get back in here. Get back in here. Where do you think you're going? No. Big kitties out there. You can't play with them. You're small. So, I call her Scarface. She is the most feral of the bunch. Most streetwise. Probably a good mouser. Seriously, what are you sleeping in? Who's this? Who is this? How you gonna run up on me like that? Come up in my blind spot. I will punch you, motherfucker. I will punch you. Oh, Scarface. There she is, Scarface. So here's the other kitties discovering the poo-poo and pee-pee smells in the bathroom. Oh, what's this? Oh, I know those smells. Smells like something comes out of my body. Oh, we're honing in on it. We're trying to figure out how these human people, evacuate their systems. Very interesting. Yes. Yes. Oh, what is this? Some kind of soft technology? Ooh. Keeps our feet warm. Ooh, and what is this? Space. The final frontier. To seek out new, what are the words? Systems and, I don't know. Let's see what this little guy's doing out here. Where are you, little bastard? Oh, there you are. Oh, I see where you're going. Oh, yes. What's that smell? This is where the big kitties hang out. Oh, I feel like a big kitty, even though I'm not. Maybe I'm Batman. No. Oh, there's another one. Oh. What are you little monsters doing? I see you there. Oh, I see you. Don't think for a second that I don't see you. Ah, you want to take a poop in the big kitty box, huh? Huh? You think you're ready to take a poop with the big kitties? Wah! No! You are always going to be the size of a large rat. Or something. Whatever. Like a varmint. Or those things, those river rats that look like otters, but they're not otters. Can't remember what they're called. But that's you. Except you're dry. You're not wet. Would you like a sip of my beer? Huh? Yeah, no. You can't have one. You're too young. That's where that little bastard get off to. I don't see you. Oh. Let's go investigate this. Where'd the little varmints get off to? You has an angry look upon your face. Oh, who is this? Who is this? Some kind of miniature land shark. Oh. What? One of the varmints has escaped. Is that you, Mr. Poo Poo Butt? Always get diarrhea stuck on your butt. It's okay. Happens to me too. Alright. Back in the room, you little planarians. Good times, noodle salad. Big kitty didn't hiss at you. Got to explore the house. Hey! Yeah, you better get back in there. I saw you running. Anybody in here? Hey! Nope. Get your little boot. What? No. God damn it. I'm gonna close this door. Where is it? There it is. Good job. I see you in there. Back to Lisa's room. Stay. Stay. No, you stay. No purring. Stop being cute. So how many are there? Did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 5? Where's number 5? Hello? Hello? Am I not speaking your alien language? Where is number 5? What? What? No. 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 God damn it. There's number 5. You little bastards. Come on, Scarface.